In the world of manufacturing, the quest for excellence is not just a lofty ideal, it's a necessity. It's about more than just cutting costs. It's about optimizing performance, improving efficiency, and ensuring that every product that rolls off the assembly line is of the highest quality. This journey towards manufacturing excellence is guided by 7 key principles that can transform how businesses operate and thrive. Let's dive into the first principle, providing clear, consistent performance objectives. Imagine you're setting out on a road trip without a map or a destination. You might have the best car, the most fuel-efficient engine, but without clear directions, you could end up lost. Similarly, in manufacturing, we need a well-defined strategy and critical objectives. The manufacturing excellence team plays a crucial role here, developing a roadmap that everyone in the organization can understand and follow. By engaging the workforce in this process, we ensure that everyone knows what is expected of them, reducing confusion and aligning efforts towards a common goal. This clarity not only saves time and money, but also fosters a sense of ownership among employees. Now, let's talk about aligned expectations, the second element. Picture this, you have a fantastic sales team that's bringing in revenue, but they're also pushing for new products and options that don't necessarily align with the manufacturing capabilities or cost structures. This can lead to a situation where the cost of producing these new offerings outweigh the benefits. It's essential for all stakeholders to be on the same page regarding manufacturing objectives. When everyone understands the end goals, we can avoid costly missteps and ensure that manufacturing excellence in one area doesn't inadvertently lead to increased costs in another. This alignment is especially critical in industries like pharmaceuticals and food processing, where product integrity is paramount. Next up is the importance of providing knowledge and tools to succeed. Think about it. How can you expect your employees to excel if they don't have the right training or resources? Leadership plays a pivotal role in this. If leaders believe their teams are inherently motivated, they'll focus on equipping them with the skills they need to perform. Conversely, if they think employees require constant motivation, they might invest more in incentive programs than in actual training. Ultimately, manufacturing excellence hinges on ensuring that every employee has the knowledge and tools to make informed decisions that positively impact the organization. This leads us to the fourth principle, understanding true costs. In manufacturing, having accurate standard costs is like having a reliable compass. It guides decision-making across various functions, from budgeting to pricing strategies. However, many traditional costing systems can misrepresent the true cost associated with product, leading to poor decisions. When companies fail to recognize the actual cost structures, they risk pricing their products incorrectly or misallocating resources. By implementing accurate costing methods, businesses can identify opportunities for improvement and ensure that every product contributes positively to the bottom line. Now, let's address the notion that excellence is the only acceptable performance target. In today's fast-paced manufacturing environment, settling for mediocrity is not an option. Organizations must aim for the highest quality standards, whether that means achieving a minimum quality level or ensuring zero late deliveries. By setting the bar high, companies can cultivate a culture of continuous improvement, ensuring they remain competitive in a global marketplace. This commitment to excellence not only benefits the organization, but also builds trust and loyalty among customers. The sixth principle emphasizes the need to reduce organizational complexity. In a world where efficiency is key, organizations must streamline their processes and focus on what truly adds value. The manufacturing landscape can often become bogged down by unnecessary complexity, leading to inefficiencies and increased costs. By questioning every activity and assessing its relevance, organizations can eliminate wasteful practices and simplify their operations. This doesn't just enhance productivity, it also creates a more engaging work environment where employees feel empowered to contribute to the company's success. Finally, we arrive at the seventh principle, committing to broad-based, knowledge-driven involvement. For manufacturing excellence to thrive, it's crucial to foster an environment where employees feel empowered and knowledgeable. As W. Edwards Deming famously stated, profound knowledge is key to effective decision-making. When employees are involved in the process and understand the impact of their decisions, they are more likely to take ownership of their work and strive for excellence. This commitment to empowerment creates a solid foundation for long-term success, ensuring that the organization can adapt and evolve in an ever-changing landscape. In conclusion, the journey to manufacturing excellence is not a destination, but an ongoing process that requires commitment, clarity, and collaboration. By embracing these 7 principles, business leaders can create a culture of excellence that not only optimizes performance, but also drives sustainable growth. It's about more than just managing costs. It's about fostering an environment where every employee has the opportunity to contribute to the organization's success. So, let's take these principles to heart and strive for excellence in everything we do. After all, in the world of manufacturing, excellence is not just an option, it's the only way forward.